morning, class. I am Miss Aras Elistoy, and today I'm going to be your classroom teacher. So before we start our class, let's start by the opening prayer. To be led by Miss Domingo. So let us stand up.
Kami po ay inyong labayan sa araw-araw at especially dito po sa aming pag-aaral, aming mga kakamit, aming meeting sa buhay. Kami po ay iyong patawarin kung ano man po ang aming mga kasalanan nagawa intentionally and unintentionally. Kami po ay iyong patawarin. Humingi po kami sa inyo ng biyaya o sa aming Ama. Ito po ang aming panalangin sa aming pang-araw-araw. Sa ngalan po ni Jesus, sa aming pagpapataas.
That is a very good prayer. Na-energize ba kayo spiritually ng prayer ni Miss Domingo? Yes. Dapat may enough kayong energy until ma-finish nyo yung whole lesson niyo for today. So, you check your surroundings. If there are some mess or rubbish, can you pick it up? Then we will proceed to attendance checking. If I call your surname, you can say present or raise your hand. Abella Marilyn, Aglolos Maricel, Alcantara Hardy, Aldamar Cristina, Alfonso Barbara, Alucio Emily, Aniban, Arago, Argente, Arienda, Barbacina, Barsaga, Bernalo, Catalan, Celis, De la Vega, Domingo, Ibarli, Elises, Estrada, Fernandez, Garcia, Gonzalez, Guzman, Acosta, Dique, Bugawan, Lusisito, Nunggata, Pagaduan, Russell, Pagaduan, Sara, Mayoyo, Sibilia, Sugano, Florida.
So class, at the end of the lesson, you should be able to know the meaning of ACM, elaborate the 4 parts of Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct, identify to which part the ethics and the conduct belongs to, and lastly, understand the ethical and unethical job as an ICT professionals.
Talk about the career opportunities, different career opportunities for ICT. So, can someone tell me kung ano-ano yung mga career opportunities and give me just one each student that I will call and tell me kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Shall I call you around the country or will you raise the number? Okay. Magaduan, Russell.
Application developer is someone who develops applications for
Ano si application developer? Next. Mayoyo.
database administrative for people who are in adoption of database.
Five. Number five. Next. Next. Arago. Last two. There's Garcia.
Web developer. A web developer is similar to application developer, but the difference is they focus on the
Next. Alcantara.
Network engineer. Network engineer is someone who is in charge of companies computer network.
So, naiintindihan nyo kung ano yung mga career opportunities na yun. Those are the opportunities na, example ng mga opportunities, as you kayo pag nag-graduate tayo, pwede nyo mag-work, yung mga IT. So, yung topic natin, yung previous topic natin about career opportunities, is also related to our new topics. Yung mga opportunities na yun, yung mga career, lahat yun, every career is meron tayong sinusunod na code of ethics. So, yung next lesson natin is, before we start, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ito, and then you tell me what is your idea or your guys' article. Okay? Of course. Dutin ko pa. So, sino mga mag-ano? Yes, Miss. Pagaduan, Sarah. Ano idea mo sa picture na yan?
It is wrong and right. You have to decide whether the make decision is wrong or right.
Tama.
It has good intentions or bad intentions.
Okay. Yan yung idea ni Miss Pagaduan. That's Miss Pagaduan's idea about my picture. Next. Raise your hand.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Domingos.
Describe is a hacker. It means that a person who is going to have a bad intentions on technology or in the websites to have other people's privacy.
Ano ba kayo? Agree kayo sa explanation ni Miss Domingo? Just a picture. Ikaw, Miss Acosta. Sila yung klase dapat palit na lang. Tama yun. That's right. So our lesson for today is about computing fundamentals, code of ethics for ICT professionals. So lahat ng all of those photos are connected to the code of ethics. Kung ang dami the definition of ACM. Miss Anibal.
ACM. Section for computing machinery. Development of organization for computing professionals. They delivers or is advanced computing as a science and a profession. Enable professional development, promote policies and research that benefit society.
Okay, yun yung meaning ng ACM. ACM daw is Association for Computing Machinery. Next, I think this word is very familiar sa inyo na. What is the meaning of ICT? ICT, meron kayong computer fundamentals. Nagkuha na kayo ng data networking. Ano ang meaning ng ICT? Miss Corrida.
ICT is Information and Communication Technology.
Yes, ICT is Information Communication Technology. Itong word na to is lagi nyo, yes, you are 1.1. This word, lagi nyo to may encounter. Okay, may encounter nyo to sa lahat ng, mostly sa lahat ng subjects nyo because you are BS IT students. Next, sino makakapagsabi kung ano ang ethics? What is ethics for you? Your own definition of ethics. Yes, Miss Pagaluan.
Ethics is the behavior towards others.
Tama? Meron pa ba kayong idea? Next, Miss Domingo.
For me, ethics is your decisions towards right and wrong.
Sa ethics, when it comes to ethics, you will decide what is. That is the time that you have to decide whether what you will do is right or wrong. Some are, like example, some are morally right. Meron, ano yung ginagawa mo? Maybe sa'yo, it is wrong, but sa iba, it is morally right. Pero naman iba, mali sa kanila, but tingin mo is morally wrong. Kaya tama sa kanila, sa'yo morally wrong. So let's proceed to our lesson about the Code of Ethics for ICT Professional. The Code of Ethics for ICT Professional has 4 parts. So what is ACM? Association for Computing Machinery. ACM delivers resources that advance computing as a science and profession, enable professional development, and promote policies and research that benefits the society. So it is designed, the ACM is designed, it designed the ACM Code of Ethics. So ito, si Association for Computing Machinery, sila yung nag-design ng Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct, which has 4 parts. So what is ACM Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct? Can you read, Miss Denso?
Number 1, General of the Principles. It serves as guide to how ICT professionals
So, yung Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct, siya daw yung framework kung paano gagamitin ng mga ICT professionals, yung technology, sa ethical way, sa tamang pamamaraan. And it has 4 parts. First, general ethical principle. The second is professional responsibilities. Third, professional leadership principles and compliance with code. So let us talk first about general ethical principles. So, a computing professional should, may basa ko, number 1, payoyo. Number 1, contribute to society and human well-being, acknowledging that all people are stakeholders. And tell me kung ano yung pagkakaintindi ko.
In a society, so
Okay, it means contribute to your society and human well-being. Ibig sabihin, ikaw daw as computer professional, yung ginagawa mo is dapat nakaka-contribute sa wellness ng community or society. For example, pag sinabi mo hacking, nakaka-contribute ka ba? Like, good contribution ba yun sa society? Diba? Hindi. So, dapat daw, ang ginagawa mo, nakaka-contribute ka ng wellness ng society. Next is, number 2, Miss Arago. And explain it as well. Explain it on your own word. How you understand that.
That means go to that and raise someone's heart.
Tama. Avoid harm. Like, ganun nga, yung example, hacking. It means nakaka-harm ka na. If you hack someone's account, it means you are harming that person. Yung account ng taong yan. So, avoid harm. Dapat daw, as computer professional, is hindi ka makaka-harm. For example, pag sinabi mo hacking, nakaka-contribute ka ba? Like, good contribution ba yun sa society? Diba? Hindi. So, dapat daw, ang ginagawa mo, nakaka-contribute ka ng wellness ng society. Next is number 2, Miss Arago. And explain it as well. Explain it on your own word. How you understand that.
That means go to that and raise someone's heart.
Tama. Avoid harm. Like, ganun nga, yung example, hacking. It means nakaka-harm ka na. If you hack someone's account, it means you are harming that person. Yung account ng taong yan. So, avoid harm. Dapat daw, as computer professional, is hindi ka makaka-harm sa ibang tao. Next is number 3, is analysis.
Be honest and trustworthy. The principle states that as a computing professional, we should always be honest. We should be transparent with our work and give full disclosure of all important system capabilities and limitations. We should also avoid making deliberately making misleading claims, falsifying data, and other misconduct.
Be honest and trustworthy. Example, if you are already working in a company, diba? If you're already working in a company, and then sinabi ng kasama mo, sis, palitan mo nga yung data na mo kasi may mali akong nagawa. Ano na lang siya, palitan, and then huwag mo sabihin sa boss. Tama ba yun? Diba? Hindi. Dapat, as computer professional is, sinusunod nyo yung code of ethics. Hindi nyo tinotolerate yung ganon. You should not tolerate those kind of behavior sa workplace nyo. Next is number 4, Miss Policarpio.
Be fair and take action not to discriminate. This principle states that as computer professionals we should have respect of others and observe the value of equality. A computer professional should be always be fair. Kailangan po siya is like pantay-pantay po
Tama. Be fair. Dapat wala kang tinitingan. Pantay-pantay siya. Tama yung sinabi ni Miss Policarpio. Next, Miss Gonzalez.
The spirit of word is regarded for those new ideas and inventions will create variety and computing artifacts. This principle states that as a computing professional, we should feed it to the idea, work and invitation with others. We should respect copyright and copyright and license agreements as these are methods to protect others all work.
Yes. For example, is making mo kayo. Usually kayo ngayon, meron kayong mga projects, di ba? And then may video kayong ginayahan nun. And then, on your, sa submission nyo, is hindi nyo pinedit yung ginayahan nyo ng video. Na yun. Yes. Yung copyrights niya, hindi nyo pinedit. So, dapat daw is, nire-respect mo. Oo, yung pinagkopyahan mo. Hindi mo siya claim na sa'yo lang talaga. Diba? Yes. Next is Miss Acosta.
Respect privacy. This one is just about giving professional should always respect the privacy of our coworkers.
Yeah, respect privacy. For example, naiwan ng yung coworker mo, naiwan niya yung laptop niya ng bukas, naka-open sa account niya. Ikaw na marites, kinakaialaman mo. Respect privacy ba yun? Diba? Respect privacy, kahit makita mo nakabukas yan, hindi mo gagalawin o hindi mo man lang dudungawin. Diba? Next is Miss Guzman.
Honor, confidentiality. It is principle stated as a data entrusted to us. Patents, research data, financial data, passport, trade secrets, etc. That means that everything that related to work should stay on the same on the company, work company should not be outside.
Very good. So ikaw, you keep all the data of your company, you have no right na i-share yun sa iba. Dapat i-honor mo yung confidentiality. Kasi yung mga tao, they give that data to you sa company mo kasi meron silang trust. They trust na yung data na yun is mag-stay lang sa inyo. Next, Miss Catalan. Yeah. The second one is, remember, there are only 7 general ethical principles. Next is professional responsibilities. A computing professional should Miss Catalan.
Computing professionals should strive to achieve high quality in all their processes and products of professional work. These principles state that as a computer professional, we should insist on and support high quality work, not only for our colleagues, but especially ourselves.
Example, may ginagawang project sa inyo yung company nyo. Pero you didn't give your best sa project na yun. As computer professional, dapat nag-strive kayo lagi ng best. Example, sa mga projects nyo, presentations nyo. Pag nag-present kayo using PowerPoint, you always try to do your best na maganda yung output ninyo, di ba? Same yun sa work nyo. If your company or your boss give you a work, nag-assign sa inyo ng work, you should do your best na high quality yung ibibigay mo na work. Next, Miss Galdones.
Maintain high standards of professional competence, conduct, and ethical practice. This principle states that as computing professional, we should always maintain professional conduct, competence, and ethical practice. These are qualities that high level or quality of computing depends on.
Okay. Next, Miss Maubos ko na kayo. Guzman. Yes.
Okay, number 3. Know and respect existing rules pertaining to professional work. This principle states that as computing professional, we must always abide by the rules set by the organization where we are part of. Also, all national and even international rules must also be abided.
Yes, as computing professional, hindi lang dito. Like for example, hindi lang sa Pilipinas na rules responsibility nyo. Also, abroad. Kasi for example, if you have someone abroad, nandito kayo sa Pilipinas, and then nag-hack kayo ng account abroad, is mahuhuli din kayo. Paparusahan din kayo ng sa abroad. Kakasuhan din kayo. Next is Miss Amelia.
Accept and provide appropriate professional this principle states that as a computing professional, we should always be open about peer reviews and constructive in our job. We should also be productive and critical responses that others will ever appreciate.
Accept and provide professional review. So yung, for example, may bago kang kasama. Ayaw mo sa kanya. Ayaw mo sa kasama mo. Instead na yung review mo sa kanya sa work niya, is, ay maganda yung performance niya, yung review mo, ang sama kasi ayaw mo sa kanya. And the same as well, pag ikaw magbigay sa'yo ng criticism yung kasama mo, hindi mo kayang tanggapin. As professional, dapat kaya mo siyang tanggapin. Kasi kung may advice ka sa sa work mo, para yun sa iyo, yung mag-i-improve pa yung work nyo. Pero sa'yo, nasa isip mo as nangyayalam siya, yung masama yung impact sa'yo. Yung, criticism niya sa'yo. Next, Miss Fernandez.
Give comprehensive evaluation of computer systems and their including analysis of possible risks. This principle states that as a computing professional, we should preserve to be articulate, perceptive, and objective when presenting, evaluating, and recommending systems descriptions, and applications.
Yes. For example, sa isang company, if you are working on topology ng data networks, instead na dapat daw, you have to advise yung pinaka-best sa company. Hindi yung mag-a-advise ka doon sa madali lang gawin na collection. You should advise what is best. Iniisip mo yung best ng company. Next, Miss Barsaga.
Perform more on the areas of competence. This principle states that as a computing professional, we should only work on our areas of expertise or competence. The computing professional edified judgment will serve as a final guide if he or she will work on a certain items.
For example, may project kayo, kahit data analyst ka, kahit data analyst ka, gusto mo na rin maging web designer. Gusto mo lang akutin lahat ng work. So, dapat daw, you should only work on the areas na expertise mo. Diba? Hindi yung gusto mo lahat na, nagpapabilib ka sa gusto mo akutin, kahit hindi naman para sa'yo na trabaho. Next, Miss Alice.
Foster public awareness and understanding of computing related technology. This principle states that the computing professional it is our duty to completely share our ethical knowledge. This result for this is for them to understand and have awareness about computing, its benefits and consequences.
Foster public awareness daw. Eh, madamot ka, ayaw mo i-share yung nalalaman mo, gusto mo sa'yo lang. Diba? For example, may bago kang kasama sa company mo, may bago kayong trainee. Eh, ayaw mong malamangan ka niya agad, ayaw mo i-share yung knowledge mo. So, ano yung nalalaman mo, ayaw mo i-share sa kasama mo. So, nagtagal na lang siya, wala mo rin siyang alam, kasi ayaw mo i-share sa kanya. Next is Miss Magaduan Sara.
Access computing and communication resources are given authorized or when indicated by the public. Means I cannot access
Tama. Hindi authorized kayo i-access yan. Yung may access lang dapat dyan is yung mga managers nyo. Pero ikaw, gusto mo i-hack yung password para maka-access ka din. Tama ba yun? Diba hindi? Next is Miss Garcia.
Design and implement systems that are robustly and secure. This principle states that a computing professional, we should design our system to be easily utilized by non-technical people who discourage creative resources that are too confusing or inhibited with legitimate.
For example, sa company, like in a company, pag ang company is not hindi siya IT company, nag-hire talaga sila ng mga technician para ayusin yung networks nila, yung computer networks nila. Ikaw naman na IT, para ikaw kunin ka, pag masusunod ang problema, is yung binigay mo, is yung network settings na binigay mo sa kanila, is yung hindi sila makakaintindi o hindi nila madali solusyonan. Para konting mali lang, tatawagan ka. Para ikaw mag-ayos. Yes. So, dapat, yung magbibigay ka, magdi-design ka, yung maintindihan ng lahat. So, yung kahit hindi ka IT professional, is kaya mong i-troubleshoot yung mga basic problems. Next is, the third one is, the third one So, a computing professional, especially now those that are acting as a leader, should first, na naman tayo. Miss Domingo.
Ensure that the public good is a central concern during the professional computing work. This principle states that the computing professional should keep in mind that the central concern for the computing work is the public good. We should keep this focus no matter what methodologies or techniques that should be in practice.
Yes, ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng ginagawa nyo, it should be all for the good of the public. Hindi lang yung hindi pa sarili mo. It's not for your own good, but for the public. Kasi nga, yung public, yung gagamit nun, it is for the public use, so dapat it's for the good of the public. Next is Miss Like.
Article encourages acceptance of and evaluation the fulfillment of ethical responsibility by members of the organization. This is principally state that as a computing professional, we should participate in meetings, deliver responsibilities, and discourage tendencies that otherwise is encouraged.
May meeting sa company nyo, senior IT ka na. You're already a senior IT. May meeting sa company nyo, tatawag yung head nyo. Ayaw mo mag-attend. Mas gusto mo lang maglaro ng ML. Kesa mag-attend doon. Senior IT ka na You already have the position. So ayaw mo na mag-attend. Malaki na yung ulo mo. Diba? As senior tech, dapat you should be the one na nandun. Example, you should be a good example sa mga lower IT, mga junior ITs. Yes. Next. 3. Miss Magando Andrasen. Number 3.
Manage personal and resources when this principle states that as a computing professional, we are considered as leaders who should always make sure that our work and access do not degrade upon others.
Dapat yung mga trabaho ng ninyo as leaders, computer professionals, makaka-enhance. Hindi yung lalo pang nahirapan yung gumagamit. Dapat makaka-enhance sa daily life. Hindi yung lalo silang nahirapan dahil sa ginawa ninyo. Next is Miss Dorida. Is really Miss Dorida?
Articulate, apply, and support policies and practices that reflect and principles. This principle states that our computing professional clearly define policies that are consistent and applicable and effectively communicate them to relevant stakeholders.
Dapat daw, yung mga policies nyo is yun ang sinusunod ninyo, yung mga policies ng organization ninyo. So, yung professional, sinusunod nyo yun. Diba dito is meron tayong mga sinusunod. For example, sa inyo, yung SSC, sinusunod nyo yung mga patara nila to always wear your uniforms, yung mga ganon. Same as pag naging IT kayo. Yung mga policies of your company, you should always follow. Next, Miss Policarpio.
Opportunities to members of the organization or group to grow as professionals. This principle statement that computer professionals we should create and or give opportunities to our team members that will help them improve their knowledge, skills,
Yes, for example, create opportunities daw. For example, pag sabi yung company niyo, someone from the IT department, someone will handle the project. Ikaw na laging pabida, gusto mo ikaw lagi, hindi mo bibigyan ng chance yung iba mong mga workmate. Hindi nila, they can show off what they have, their skills, kasi nga gusto mo ikaw lang lagi. Next, Miss Barsaga.
pair when changing or discovering or persistent features on which people still depend.
When you modify a system, example, merong existing system yung isang company. When you modify it, yung existing system na yun is ginagamit pa ng company. When you modify it, dapat daw is ingatan nyo kasi ginagamit pa nila. When you modify, dapat is hindi maantala or it can disturb, hindi siya makaka-disturb yung trabaho ng iba sa company. Yung flow ng work ng company, hindi ma-disturb nung pag-modify mo ng system. Next is Miss Arienda.
Recognize and take special care of systems that become integrated into the structure of society. This principle states that as a computing professional, we should ensure that appropriate standards of care exist for systems that will be integrated into society's infrastructure.
So, dapat daw is carefully napili nyo kung ano yung i-integrate sa society na system. Hindi yung system na madaling makapahack sa mga account mong gagamit. Next, the last one, compliance with the code. So, compliance with the code, we only have two. A computing professional should Miss Aniban.
This principle states that as a computing professional, we should always follow the rules of his professional life.
Uphold and promote. For example, yung code of ethics sa company. Uphold and promote compliance daw, it means mag-comply ka. Tapos, pag sa company, sinusunod mo. Pag nasa labas ka, nangahack ka na. Sa company, hindi ka mag-hack. Sa labas na. Tama ba yun? When you say uphold and promote, even work or out of work is sinusunod mo yung code of ethics for ICT. Next is Arago.
Strict violations of as inconsistent with membership ACM. These principles state that as a computing professional, you should encourage and support adherence by all computing professionals regardless of age membership.
Member siya ng ECM. So, kaya may violation ka, is hindi mo na-report. So, dapat na, if yung member is wala kang hinihilingan. Pag mali is mali. So, naiintindihan niyo yung mga codes, yung mga dapat gawin as ICT professional. At kung ano yung mga dapat yung sundin in the future as IT professionals. Pag natapos na yung course nyo. Tatapusin niyo ba? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, we will go on to our group activity. Yes, you have a group activity? Count yourself 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. So, count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you group yourself. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So all number 1 come here. All number 2 and all number 3 on the table. 3. All number 3 go to the wrong table. All number 1 this side. All number 2 there.
Done?
So for our group activity, I will give you each a copy and you have 2 minutes. Okay? You have 2 minutes to find the words. Then I will call a group member number 2. So number 12. So, 4 words each sa grupo. Every group, meron kayong 4 words at least na mahalaga. After yung mag-circle niya siya ng lahat. Okay? So, this is for group 1, group 2, and group 3. So, you have 2 minutes to find the words. After 2 minutes, is magtatawag ako ng group nyo. So, After 2 minutes is dapat may representative kayo na pumunta, okay? Random ang pagtawag ko per group. 1 word per group, apat lahat ha. Pwede kayong mag-circle din as much as kahit as many as possible. No need to explain. You have 1 minute left. Okay, wait. Papatay natin siya. Let's wait for the other area finish. Alternate per group na magsasagot dito, okay? 1 person each. Isa-isa, one from other group, one representative mag-circle ng 1 word. Then the next group, and next word. Random kung tatawagin yung group. Okay. Isa-isa ba? Okay, time's up. Group 2. You can circle the first word. Ano yung nahanap nyo? O sino yung magre-represent sa inyo? Huwag ko ulit-ulit, okay? Pwede na kayo lumabas na kasi. Yung mga ano kayo sa group. Yeah, ibang group to ang next. Ibang group pa yun. Group 1, ay group 2 have respect. Group 3. Any representative from group 3? Okay. Principals. Group 1. Very good. Responsibilities. Next. Go. One word. Group 2, find the word trustworthy. Next, group 3. Iba. Privacy. Naalala nyo, privacy is related to your... Yes. Next, group 1. Honest. Sabi diba, sa Code of Ethics is be honest. Next, group 2. Next, group 3. Next, group 1. Code of Ethics. Oh, mahal pa yung pabantaan, yung financial. Confidential. Next, group 2. Wrong. Explain the line. Next group 3. Tapos na. Yan, hanap nila yung hindi sila mga duling. Yung professional na pabalitas. Meron pa ba? Group 1. Meron pa. Oh, tapos yun na lahat. Hindi kasali yung car, pero nakahanap kayo ng car. It's not included in the worksheet. Very good. Okay, you can give me back that. This is group 1. Please put your group number. Group 2. And wala yung timing. Hindi, okay. Lahat naman kayo ata sumagot, diba? Yes! Oh, be honest yun, ha? Be honest yun. Okay, to our next activity. So lahat yung mapapansin nyo, all of these words are related to code of ethics. So for our next activity, so lahat ng related sa code of ethics na the code of ethics is important. Not only to the hindi lang sa work mo, kundi as you as a person, dapat talaga is meron kang sinusunod na scope sa sarili mo, yung prinsipyo mo. Kasi ICT professionals, example, hindi rin kayo dapat madaling sila. Mostly kayo, di ba? Nagbabayad yung mga tao sa mga IT. To hack something, or magbago, change some data. But for you, dapat ka tayo, mga ICT kayo maging mga future ITs. Baka mabalitaan kayo in the future, mga professional, hindi professional IT, professional hackers. Mga IT. So dapat sinusunod nyo yung mga nandun na code of ethics. Kasi yung sa code of ethics for professionals, ICT professionals, yan talaga yung susundin nyo. Like, yung code na yun is nakagovern sa inyo na mga IT-related students or professionals. And I will give you a copy of this. Sakta sa inyo lahat. This one is individual activity. Okay? So you can answer and write your name on the top. This is individual activities. This is individual activities. Okay? You can close your books. Ano lang yan? Like situational. Okay? These are situational cases. Kulang. Sobra ba sa inyo? Meron pa ba? Sobra? Dalawa pa? Ilan ba kayo? Dapat ano yun? Kompleto. Dala, baka naman dala-dalawa yung sa inyo. One lang? Sino hindi pa nagpangalan? Sino hindi pa naglagay ng pangalan? Ilan? Sino yung wala? Dalawa? Tatlo? Three. Pangalanan nyo, and then you will show your activity. Okay? If you have individual activity, you will serve as your guide. Here on the board is how Tatawag ako randomly na pupunta sa harap. Okay? Buda 1. For number 1, Buda 1. Please read the statement and tell if it's right or wrong. Number 1 daw, as an ICT professional, you shouldn't be honest and trustworthy. Number 2. Arsaga. Number 2, database administrator, and he can disclose important data of his company to other companies. Right or wrong? Right. Ito na yung mag-usabi. Next. Number 6. Okay. Gonzales. Number 4. Miss Garcia. Garcia muna. Number 4, an ICT professional daw must be honest. And last, Denso. Be fair and take action and not discriminate. Okay, we're gonna exchange paper. Palit-palit kayo. And then we will talk that statement. We will discuss the statement. Okay? Palit-palit? Yes, ma'am. Okay. For number 1, an ICT professional, you shouldn't be honest and trustworthy. Sagot is wrong now. Sino nag-write? Very good. Number 2, Max is a database administrator and he can disclose important data of his company to other companies. Answer is wrong. Dapat, hindi ka dapat, diba? You shouldn't disclose data details ng applicant mo. Next, number 3. There is a need to create opportunities for members of the organization or group to grow as professionals. Right. And it's sabi ko, you should give chance to others na mag-grow din. Number 4, an ICT professional must be honest. Baka may nag-wrong pa sa inyo rito. Last, number 5. Be fair and take action not to discriminate. Right. So, nag-expect ako lahat kayo perfect. Meron bang 4? May 4 pa rin? Ano mali nyo? So, nalito kayo dito. So, based on our code of ethics natin, I will just give you a scenario. I give you a scenario related to the code of ethics. And you can tell me kung saan doon sa code na yun. Scenario 1, Maria had the FB account of Google. Saan siya nag-Google? Saan doon? Page of the channel and yes, very good. Avoid harm. Di ba dapat is hindi, pag once mag-hack yung account ng isang tao, is you already harming that person. Scenario 2. Just receive a constructive criticism about his computer lab activity from his teacher. Which of the professional responsibilities does the statement belongs to? Be fair. Yes. Accept and provide professional. Hindi yung pag binigyan kayo ng suggestion or criticism is nagagalit kayo. Scenario 3. Many always employees and newly hired IT staff serve and try to configure data networks by herself as well. So which of the professional leadership principle does the statement belongs to? No? Which one is this? Read it. Lenny always asks Maurice. Ibig sabihin, si Lenny daw is, hinahaya niya si Maurice na mag-explore or maggawa din. Pagbuhay na si Maurice.
Create opportunities for member of the organization or group.
Yes. Create opportunities na members of the grow professionally. So, for your quiz, nag-quiz pa tayo. Dito quiz. Activity na niyo. This is your quiz na ibigay sa rin kay ma'am. Galingan nyo nung first. Okay? This is your assessment. Then you assign nyo na kayo. No, this is assessment. Yeah. This is quiz and then ibibigay ko dito kay ma'am. Sharing is caring. That quiz. Sharing is caring. Ay, walang iwanan tayo, ma'am. Walang iwanan to. Walang iwanan. Sabi pa naman doon sa ano ko na be honest daw. Hindi kami dito. Wala na naman kami, ma'am. Wala na naman. Apat na ilan, ma'am. Apat.
Kasi population.
Lahat na ba meron?
Collect data from the
Sino pa?
process. So DPM will provide data running and integration. This chapter describes some basic DPM implementation. So generic routing encapsulations, society protocol deployed by systems, encapsulate the one-party
Kami dun sa code of ethics sa Pianes. Tapos yung inabay niya siya, communities, individual, professional, create ng opportunity. Gawa professionally.
So, i-connect mo lahat. Kailangan nyo lang may sa akin. Yun ang ibibigay ko sa inyo. Kasi doon ang kailangan. Para yung encapsulation sa next one. Kapag kailangan data, so, GRD creates personal controls routers at remote points. So, mag-IP, internet, or sino po wala basic GRD?
Lahat na ba meron?
PGP is
So, you have 10 minutes.
order gateway. It's a routing protocol used to screen autonomous system.
Listen niya na, isulat.
PGP routing and our implementations of PGP in single network. Symbol please take on fee. PGP siya. Ito may PGP.
Sino na yung nakatapos?
Remote access connection. Smart, you will learn how to use support business
So,
requirements.
na kayo sa 11:23.
So, broadband connections.
11:25, nasa topic na kayo.
Remote access broadband connections for small to medium size businesses. So, what is cable system? Cable system. Cable system is accessing the internet through cable network. Hindi tayo ng Wi-Fi. Hindi na po kailangan. So, through wireless na siya. So, So modern. So the cable system uses coaxial cable that carries radio frequencies or RF. Coaxial. So yun ang sinabi ko yung
Nakay sa 11:24, yung 1 minute left.
Ang naulit na yung
Yung pin. Parang pin.
yung pin. Parang ganun yung dulo niya.
Tapos naka-twist yung bar. Naka-twist yung bar.
Wala pa yung meron pa sa dati kong amo meron. So kung meron pa mo kahit na wala na.
Yes, meron sa wall.
Kasi hindi nila pinag-ready yung loob. So pinugulo lang siya, ganun lang siya. I-pin mo lang siya doon. Tapos may naman. Pero kasi lalo na tayo with CMI, na ginagamit, diba? Connections. Hindi na yung base na yellow, red, yellow, red, and white. White. Yellow, red, and white. So wala na yun. So HDMI na. So signals across the network.
Are you done?
Used to build cable TV system. Yun ang ginagamit ng cable TV.
Last 1 minute.
So modern cable system offers customers advanced communication and high speed internet access. Digital cable television and telephone services. Cable operators typically deploy fiber connections or HFC networks enabled high speed transmission enabled commercial bands, small office, or without running.
So far, naiintindihan niyo ba yung mga lesson in code of ethics na? Okay. Time's up. Exchange your paper, finish or not finish. Exchange. Exchange your paper, finish or not Finish or not finish? Exchange na ba kayo lahat? Okay, number 1. Perform work only in area of transparency or entertaining. Professional responsibilities.
Hindi naman sa another
Avoid harm.
Dito nga
Use care when modifying or evaluating. Professional leadership. Honor confidentiality. General ethical principles. Number 5. Accept and provide appropriate professional responsibility. Number 6. Uphold, promote, and respect principles of compliance with the law. Respect privacy. General ethical principles. Number 8. Know and respect existing laws pertaining to professional work. Professional responsibility. 9. Ensure that the public good is the central concern during all the professional public work. Professional leadership principles. Professional leadership principles. Compliance with the code. Okay. Who got that?
So,
Wala pa lang. Hoy, $10 per hour.
ay, si Ma'am nagpalagay. $10.
Wow, sana ganyan lang yung
Thank you, everyone.